selecting links based on their state, okay, or pseudo class, okay, state or pseudo class. All right. Now, what is it? In terms of this, only links, okay, that have different state. Okay, for example, they are A link, A visited, A hover. Apa maksudnya? This is an example. This is a link, for example. Okay, by default, all link, when you create a link, okay, an available link ataupun fresh link, okay, the color is blue. That is the standard for link. And then once you click the link will change to purple, right? So visited link will change to purple. And normally links, okay, by default, when you create link using HTML, you already have underline. Okay, but here, as you can see, okay, all my link is different. I change, okay, the default color from blue to red. Okay, and look here what happened. When I bring my cursor to the link, see what happened. All right, we can actually change, okay, the formatting of the links. All right. Kalau saya pergi dekat sini, saya klik the link, going back. Okay, as you can see here, the visited link, okay, change to orange. So how to do this? Very simple. I will demonstrate to you. Okay, so here in my page, okay, I already have the link. Currently, this is the standard. Okay, this is the default look of the links. Okay, blue underline standard font size. Right. So now going back to the CSS. Okay. First, I'm going to insert a colon link. Okay, itu dia punya the first state, a colon link. All right. Now we also have a colon visited. Right. And the third state, a colon hover. Hover is when you bring your cursor. Itu kita hover. All right. So a link is a fresh link. Right. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to change the color. Control C, color. So instead of blue, I change to red. And then I will add another one called text dash decoration. And the value is none. Right? Kalau rapat sangat, saya boleh ke depan kan, tak masalah. Okay. Sorry. Bawah ni. Text decoration, none. Saya ada dua. Okay. Now, text decoration none, okay, will remove the underline, right, of the link. So I'm going to copy the same style, copy to the visited link. Okay, except I will change, okay, visited link, the color should be green. Green. All right. And then, okay, I copy this again, okay, for hover. All right. So when hover, okay, the color will change to blue. Text decoration, underline. And then I will add another formatting such as katakanlah font size. Right? Berapa size yang saya nak. Okay. Katakanlah tadi, alright, 5 em. Lampau dia kena dia besar. Okay, 5 em. Okay. And then katakanlah ini cukup. Right? As you can see here, color, red, text decoration none. Okay. So see now, okay, I save this. And now let's look what happened. So this is my link. When I reload, you see the default color has changed. There is no more underline. Okay, default color ataupun available link is red. Okay, when I bring my cursor, ambil kau, ya Allah, besar sangat punya ya. 5 em, macam tu lah jadinya. Alright. So, okay, when I click the link, going back, okay, it changed to green. Ya Allah, besar Sekolah sikit melampau pula mana tadi 5 EM ni 3 sudah. Alright. Sorry. Okay. So that's it, guys. Alright. The number 4, okay, how to select, okay, selector, okay, by selecting link based on their state, number 4. Alright. And lastly, ada yang last kali, okay, this is it, the last one. Selecting elements based on its attributes and values. We can also choose an element based on its attributes and values. Right? Now, if you look at this paragraph, for example, the word attributes and values ni size dia lain sikit. Color dia pun lain. Why? Because dia ada, okay, attribute dan value yang kita pakai. We can use that attribute and value as a selector. Okay, macam mana? Mari saya tunjukkan. This is our web page. Okay, saya tak nak tulis banyak-banyak. Saya akan tukarkan yang dekat sini. Alright. Katakanlah yang ini. Okay, saya pergi pada dia punya HTML. Ini dia yang dekat sini. Alright. Katakanlah dekat sini. Okay, apa benda saya nak pilih. Katakanlah ini. Alphabet. Okay, the word alphabet. Saya akan buat font tag. Open tag. Font. And then closing tag font. Font ni pun bukannya apa tu HTML5 punya tagging Font. Font pun dah lama dah daripada dulu lagi ada font tag. Alright. So now font, I will add an attribute katakanlah size. Okay. Saya masukkan satu je size. Right. Katakanlah the size is around 30 px. Okay, the size of the ni itu ataupun 40 px lah besar sikit. Right, 40 px. Okay, so in this case, guys, okay, you can use either attribute size or value 40 px. Okay, as selector. Okay, so boleh gunakan size ataupun 40 px apa ni dia punya value dia. Okay, sebagai selector. And save this first. Now open back in browser, cuba tengok dulu. Okay, ini dia. So the word alphabet, alright, dia ada attribute and value. Okay, they have attribute and value. Attribute-nya ialah size, value-nya ialah 40 px tadi. I'm going to use attribute. So here in my notepad, okay, if you want to use attribute or value, then you have to start with this bracket. Okay. Sorry, not curly bracket, but this bracket. Okay, nampak tak ni? Ini bukan rectangular, apa kita panggil ni? Square bracket. Okay, we are using square bracket. Alright, and then katakanlah I put size. Okay, and then barulah dia punya declaration. Alright, let's say dia punya color, okay, purple. Like that. See that? Okay. The one that becomes selector is actually an attribute named size. Okay, size. But make sure when you want to use attribute or value as selector, you have to create square bracket. Open square bracket, close square bracket. So in this case now, when I save, what you will see is that, okay, in our browser, the word alphabet is now changed to bump. Okay, the purple color. So guys, alhamdulillah, we have covered, all right, different types of selector, okay, an element that we can choose, okay, to become a selector, all right. 5 different criteria for choosing the elements to be formatted. Remember, as I told you, this is actually the most critical part of CSS because when it comes to declaration, declaration is just a matter of what style you want to use. Okay, but most importantly, you should know how to specifically select an elements or sections to be formatted. So again, I repeat, okay, as a refresh, there are 5 selector, different type of selector. We started with name of element, and then context of element, and then number 3, ID or class name as selector. And I also put an addition, okay, where you can use division, all right, and inline span, okay, but both division and inline span also use ID or class name. And then number 4, we have, okay, you can also select link based on their state. And lastly, we can also select element based on its attributes or values. So these are the 5 different types of element that different types of selector that we can use, okay, to apply the CSS.